Almandine Garnet. Almandine is the most common form of the gemstone garnet. The term garnet describes a group name for several closely related minerals that form important gemstones, and almandine is an individual member mineral of the garnet group. Almandine is usually opaque and unfit for gemstones use, though the less common transparent to translucent forms make the fine gemstones. In the gem trade, the term almandine is rarely used on its own. It is either generically called garnet or almandine garnet. Almandine is the most common member of the garnet group. It is also a popular gemstone and the most widely used garnet in the gem trade. More gemstones are faceted from almandine than any other type of garnet. Only a small amount of almandine crystals are transparent and light enough for gemstones use. Most of the almandine found is rough and opaque and not gem quality. Some almandine garnets display asterism when polished as cabochons and are known as star garnets. Almandine is often embedded in a mica schist and forms very nice matrix pieces with perfectly formed symmetrical crystals. The schist matrix often breaks up due to weathering, resulting in the almandine crystals breaking loose into individual perfectly formed floater crystals which may be quite large. Localities. The biggest almandine deposits are in Asia. The most important source is and has been for thousands of years India. Most likely the garnets, which the Romans thought to have come from Carthage, Ethiopia and Albanda, actually were of Indian origin and had found their way to the Mediterranean via the Silk Route. Interestingly, the Indian garnet deposits are located in the north of the subcontinent, whereas most other Indian gemstones are found in the southern states of Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Only Odisha boasts a sizable rhodolite deposit, most others are in Rajasthan. Other important Asian almandine deposits are Pakistan, Swat Valley, Sri Lanka and Thailand. The most important almandine localities on the African continent are in Zambia, Tanzania and in southern Kenya. Of the numerous other localities all over the world, the following three shall be mentioned for reasons of oddity.